Hey, Chef Des coming at you from my backyard. Another great reason to get a Big Green Egg is that these things are self-cleaning. They really are. You know how you have a self-cleaning option on your oven inside and you set it and it gets so hot that even the door locks, right? I don't care what model you have of your oven inside your kitchen, it always says one common thing at the end of the instructions after running the self-cleaning, and that is take a damp rag and wipe out the ash. So occasionally you're gonna have to scrape out the ash out of your Big Green Egg at the bottom, but that's it. The inside of the ceramics, they're gonna get black over time, but they get so hot that it burns off any food residue, much like your self-cleaning oven. So if you have a gas grill, for example, when's the last time you put a plastic bag on your hand, you scraped out all that crud, the accumulated animal fats that have been building up in your gas grill, and threat of a grease fire? People don't wanna do that. Most people, when I ask them how often they do that, they rarely say that they do it regularly. Some say they never do it. And what a toxic environment by having all those accumulated animal fats. You fire up your gas grill and you're cooking your food for your family over those ignited animal fats that have been sitting there season after season. Big Green Eggs, self-cleaning. So on the bottom here, you'll see this bottom vent that opens and closes, right? And you just put your ash tool inside here and you scrape out the ash. And it doesn't take much to get all the ash out. And that's how easy it is. And because food is natural, charcoal is one ingredient, wood, which is natural, I take that ash and I feed it to my plants in my garden as a fertilizer. It's a complete full circle, folks. Big Green Egg only uses sustainable resources to make their charcoal. We cook with it and then we return back to Mother Nature. It's the only way to go when you're cooking outside. And you're gonna get the best flavor in your food and the best performance. Egg on.